इस दिन में पैसा डबल करेंगे आपका। 21 दिन बाद 1 करोड़ का 2 करोड़, 2 का 4, 4 का 8, 16 करोड़। ओ माय गॉड, वेलकम टू दिस scam video, ladies and gentlemen. There are so many scams running in the name of astrology, and as a student of astrology, I feel it's my duty to tell you now, this is not a personal attack against anybody. There are many people doing this. There are so many genuine people also, but you may be involved in one of these scams and you may not even know that you are getting scammed. And sometimes these are scams like the person who is scamming you is also not aware that they are scamming you. Yeah, it's so bad sometimes. Let me tell you, the first kind of scam is where you are learning astrology with with a mentor or with a group, with a course, whatever, online, offline, doesn't matter. You're learning it for years and years and years, but you are not able to predict anything. So basically, suppose you are learning astrology from last 5 years, you should be able to make a reasonable prediction, like, not the best prediction, but something. For example, when will I get married? You should be able to answer some real world queries. Now, you may not be, you don't have to exactly predict the date of marriage or exactly the month, but you should be able to make some reasonable predictions. For example, oh yeah, you may get married, next year, October, November, December. Now, it may be correct or it may be wrong. That is not important, but you should be able to make some reasonable good predictions. If you are learning astrology for 3 to 5 years, and if you are learning for more than 5 years, you should be able to make reasonable good, or rather good predictions with at least 70 to 80% accuracy. And if you're learning from last 10 years under a group, you should be able to make very good predictions. Now, if you are not able to make predictions, it means you are getting scammed. It means you are just learning astrology and nothing else. Well, actually, you are also not learning astrology, because if you would have learned astrology properly, or if the group or the mentor or the teacher would have taught you properly, you would have been able to predict. But because you have not learned it the right way with practical examples, you are unable to predict. So this means this is like a scam which is going on in many astrology group circles, but they don't even know that they're getting scammed. And if you ask, when will I learn to make a prediction, the teacher or the group master may get offended, and then they may say you, oh, why do you want to learn predictions? They will give you some random nonsense, like, for example, oh, astrology is not all about predictions, blah blah blah, jyotish is divine, blah blah blah, astrology is this, blah blah blah, astrology is that. And they will throw you out of the group if you ask this basic question. Of course, you should not ask this question in 3 to 6 months, but suppose you are learning astrology from 2 to 3 years, or at least 3 years. After that, if you are unable to make a single prediction from that course or that group, then it is highly recommendable to leave that group, because you will never learn it. If you don't learn it in 3 years, you won't learn it in 20 years. Okay, but if you are learning something and you are refining your predictions and they are becoming correct, then you are in the right place. All right. Number two is instant analysis from websites or apps. So, for example, there are apps where you go and you instantly appear, and then the astrologer comes, you select the astrologer, okay, per minute, per second, per half hour, per 1 hour, per 15 minutes, whatever, per quarter. And you ask, you give your birth details, and the astrologer starts answering immediately. For example, you ask, okay, when will I get married? The astrologer immediately checks your chart and immediately answers, okay, you will get married, next year, this, after 5 years, 3 years, or anything. They may say anything. Like, they may also say you will never get married. Now, why this is a scam? Because many people are entrapped into this, because they don't even know that this is a scam, because you cannot make instant predictions. Now, of course, you can make some predictions, but they are very generic, because to make a final prediction, you need to check the D1, the D9, the dashas, the Bhavachali chart, for career, the D10, the D60 also. And you need to check the nakshatras, you need to check the shadbal, you need to check ashtakvarga, you need to check vimshotri dasha, then chala dasha, then you need to check prasna at times if required, and you need to check transits. How is this possible? that within an instant the astrologer or the group of astrologers are making such predictions. So if this is happening to you, you are getting scammed. So please stop doing this, or else you will only keep losing money. All right. Number three, gemstones. Okay, now I'm not saying anybody who is selling you a gemstone is scamming you, but most of the astrologers who are selling you gemstones with the wrong perspective are certainly scamming you. So what happens when you buy a gemstone from an astrologer? You the astrologer will recommend you a certain person to a gemstone company to buy, and then they have commission. So because of this, what happens is they will start recommending more and more gemstones. So sometimes I have seen clients come to me and they say, oh, this astrologer recommended me, like 4 gemstones. I'm like, what, 4 gemstones? That will cost you like, lakhs of rupees, just without any implementation, right? Sometimes I see that you can wear gemstones to increase the power of a particular planet, but the problem is gemstones can increase the power of a negative planet also. Basically what gemstones do is they will pull the energy of the planet and increase the energy. So if the energy is good, then great, but if the energy is bad, then it's problematic. And the other problem with gemstones is that the gemstones energy, the planet's energy, actually may be good for one area of life, and it may be very bad for another area of life. So without seeing everything, so for example, if you don't have a job and you are unmarried, you are like 22, then if you wear a gemstone of a planet who is indicating a powerful 10th house, you may get a job if it is in your dashas to some extent. But suppose you are married, then that same gemstone wearing that can give you divorce. Or same with the planet in the 6th house, it can give you a job but also a divorce. Therefore, you need to understand that if an astrologer is only recommending you gemstones, not giving you any predictions, not giving you real life changes, no mantras, nothing, you are getting scammed. The astrologer is just taking commission and that's it, nothing else. You are not getting anything. All right. So be very careful with gemstones. Unless you are 100% sure, do not buy gemstones, because you will waste. Anyways. Number 4, past life karma remedies. Oh my god, past life karma remedies. What the hell is past life karma remedies? Oh, I will give you this remedy which will change the karma that you did in your past life. Well, how is that possible? Because that's past. You cannot change it, right? So if you think that you will spend money and get remedies, they may be small money, they may be big money, but doesn't matter. You cannot change something which you have done in the past. You cannot change it, no matter any remedy. Of course, there are remedies which you can do to improve your mental health, your physical situation. You can do it, but if you believe that you can do some magic remedy which will go and change what you did in the past so that you don't get the repercussion in this lifetime, then that's not happening. So if somebody is doing that, then you are getting scammed, ladies and gentlemen. Please stay away, be careful. Savdhan rahe, satark rahe. Number 5, this is like the biggest scam, I feel. Number 5, you go to an astrologer for a consultation, and the astrologer only tells you what you want to hear. So suppose you ask the astrologer, sir, when am I becoming a millionaire? And you get to hear, oh, you become a millionaire by 2038 or something like that. So you ask, when will I get married? Oh, yes, you are getting married in the next 6 months. Now, everything that you are asking is always yes. When will I buy a car? Oh, yeah, yeah, you are buying a car in 3 months. When will I become the CEO of a particular company? Oh, you will become this. So, like, every answer is a yes. It is not possible. I'm consulting people from last, like, so many, almost 2 decades, but I'm telling you, most of the questions which people ask you, around 70 to 80% of them, the answers will be no, because people in Kali Yuga have unlimited desires, right? So for example, people sometimes, a person who is a very lazy person can also ask you at times, so when will I become the CEO of a company? You have to tell the person that with this attitude you will not become the CEO, right? But what happens if you speak the truth? You the client will not come back to you, right? Because the client will say, oh, he did not say good things to me, right? So therefore I will go to some other astrologer. So you lose the client. So then what happens is the client keeps coming back to you again and again and again, and then yeah, you get scammed. So if every question is by default yes with a specific timeline, it may be yes if you have a very good chart, but 99% of the cases it is not. Like, every means you ask 10 questions, every answer is yes, it's happening in the future. It's very unlikely, because if it was like that, it's very likely that the person would have not come to an astrologer for a consultation. This can sound redundant, or it may sound like overly generalized, but this is a fact. In my experience, I have never seen anybody asking all 10 questions and getting yes for all 10 questions. Never, ever, ever it happens. It cannot happen. This is the material world. You cannot get a yes for every question. You may get yes for 6 to 7 questions, or maybe if your dasha is very good in the upcoming few years, you may get a yes. Okay, but for every single question to get yes can be a scam. Okay, be aware. Number 6, they will teach you, like, you join a course or a community where they will teach you, or in their website they will say, no, we have some secret techniques, which our guru gave us, and the only problem is the guru is dead, the guru is not alive anymore, the guru has left the material world, the guru has gone back to the spiritual realm, but the guru gave us some technique only for me to give it to you. So if there is something, like super secret thing going on which you have never heard, like some guru, so even the guru's name is not there, guru's photo is not there, you are getting scammed. All right, now this may not be a scam provided you inquire. So if you are planning to book a consultation or a course with such astrologers, what you should do is you can go and check their contact us page. You can send them a mail. You can ask them, can you please tell us, like, what exactly will you teach? What are the things? You may not give the details, but certain things like, in astrology, which kind of astrology are you teaching? What will I get from this course? So these are questions which you need to ask, and if they are not able to answer all this, then you are getting, then you are safe, because you are not getting scammed, right? So therefore, don't just blindly, do anything in the world of astrology. It's very dangerous. What is the next one in my notes? Now, number 7, this is very dangerous, and this should be banned, in my opinion, by the government of India. The central government must take some steps to ban this. Number 7 is black magic. Now, I'm not talking of black magic in general, that you can't ban. Everybody is doing, in India is a democracy, right? But people, astrologers, who are selling black magic as remedies. I mean, seriously, are you like crazy? Like, it's very dangerous. So if they are doing, let them do. It's not our job to keep going on, stopping or stressing everybody. But you need to protect yourself, because even if you are doing black magic on someone like Vashikaran or something like that, it is very dangerous. You yourself will get karma. The astrologer will get karma for sure, but you also, as a client, will get karma. So if you are doing this, or you are planning to do Vashikaran or any kind of black magic, there are I don't even know the names. There are like hundreds and thousands of, different types of black magic. There are doses also. So if you're planning to do this, then please don't do, because you will have terrible consequences. Now within this also, this may be a scam. Okay, one thing is you are doing the right black magic and getting some results which will anyways give you karma, but even then also you may be doing wrong black magic, and what happens sometimes, that black magic will backfire on you and your life will be destroyed. So be very careful and stay away wherever and whenever black magic is involved. Please stay away, it will destroy your life. Number 8, crystal scam. Oh, you need to buy this crystal from my website. What will happen? You will get freedom from all problems. So this is also like gemstones. Buy this crystal, there will be some nice sound, ting 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 sound will go on. They will play something like, oh, Vietnamese music, what is that, like Tibetan music or something like that. They'll play, oh, they'll say, oh, this crystal will absorb all your negative energies and this will give you freedom from all suffering. Well, it cannot, because this is the material world. You cannot artificially absorb negative karma. All right, it may be very painful, but
See, somebody is doing business of crystals, no worries, I have no problem. But you cannot claim that these crystals will change your karma. That is when you know you are getting scammed. All right. So if you want to buy crystals for positivity, removing negativity, whatever, keep doing, no problem. But be aware that these crystals will not change your karma and your destiny. It will not change. If you are buying it with that attitude, you are scammed already. Number nine, Vastu scam. Oh my God, Vastu scam. What is Vastu scam? Astrologers doing Vastu. No, I'm not saying that's a scam, but there are astrologers, when you consult them, they will say, oh, there's a problem in your house, they're like, and you're like, okay, but I want to know when I'll get married. No, 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 you can't get married now, because you have this problem in this direction of your house. So what do I do? Well, you have to hire me or one of my students as Vastu experts, and then what happens is you pay this money and you will get freedom, and then you can come back to me for a consultation, or maybe you don't need to, because then you are already getting the job done. So for example, you have problem in this area of life. Oh, you have to do Vastu from me or my student, and then we will put something in this northeast, northwest, whatever direction, and your problem will be solved. All right. So now if you are doing this from a Vastu expert, it's perfectly fine. Or you are getting a Vastu consultation from an astrologer, then also this is fine. But if an astrologer, when you ask a real world question, is suggesting that or is mandating that you must do Vastu, and that too from me or one of my students from this group, then it's a scam. It's just a way to sell their services without no benefits. You will not get any help, nothing will change in your life. So if you want a Vastu consultation, go to a Vastu expert or an astrologer who gives a Vastu consultation. But that cannot be a remedy for a real world problem. All right. It might be a remedy provided a Vastu expert is giving. But for every question, if you ask and they are saying, oh, there's a problem here. So astrology means, okay, when I'm getting married, get an answer. I'm getting married, not getting married. Today, tomorrow, after 5 years, 100 years, whatever. But every time it cannot be a Vastu solution. All right. Number 10, loop scam. Loop scam means every time you're going to an astrologer, you are getting this, that was this movie's dialogue, right? What was that? तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख मिलती जा रही है, लेकिन what was that? इंसाफ नहीं मिला, जज साहब. So, you are going to an astrologer for a consultation, and you ask, oh, when I'm getting promoted. The astrologer says, yeah, it's happening in 3 months. You don't get promoted. Then again you go, oh, yeah, 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 Saturn is transiting here. This is happening, that is happening. Don't worry, it's happening in another 6 months. It does not happen. So you are going to an astrologer asking the same question in the same area of life again and again and again, and it's not happening. That means either you're getting scammed or you're going to an astrologer who is not a scammer but not competent enough to answer such questions. Now, I'm not saying that everybody is perfect, but if as an astrologer you are getting the same question from the same client more than 2 to 3 times, in my case, what I do is I fold my hands and I honestly tell them after 3 consultations, I tell them that, sir, madam, my predictions are not working in this area, please look for some other astrologer. All right, it it will not benefit you if you book a consultation from me again. All right, so therefore, if this is happening to you, even if you're going to a genuine astrologer, you may still be getting you might be under a scam. All right, and this is a scam which you or the astrologer doing the scam may not know, but you are getting scammed at the end of the day. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, this was an attempt from my side to make you aware of the different scams that are going on in the name of astrology. And as I said, this is not a personal attack against anybody, but to help you and to make you aware so that you don't lose your time, your wealth, and your energy, and most importantly, your faith in astrology and astrologers. Thank you so much. For consultations, you can go to my website down in the description section. God is there with you all the time. Just look to him and you'll find him. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to Exotic Astrology. You are new, and we will meet after your money is doubled again.